successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, grand, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
What's good, Zoom?
What's good? What's good?
How'd the day go for you guys?
Right.
Yeah, good man. I just got stopped out by 50 pips on gold buys.
Oh, nice.
Oh wait, really? Where did you buy?
Oh, there.
Well, you
Right
snap
at the
it?
bottom. No, just waited for big orders here, aggressive selling here, buyers appear, off you go.
I took the buys here. I was actually looking to buy here if the bearish close like this, but she closed above, so I had to enter here. But I still keep the stop loss as 50.
Ah, nice.
Yep, it is was a good spot to look for buys.
Yeah,
Now,
problem is my 1 to 2 is the resistance.
well, it could break the highs because after all, we bullish. Or we could reject this 5-minute supply or grab this London high, and then we start tanking again.
Yeah, that would be the best.
Which I think that's what we're gonna get, because it's been bullish with minimum pullbacks. So I think we get that pull today. Deeper pullback. So I think we're going to see Because if we are going to buy, we will come down and grab this. So I think the grabbing is going to be on from the high side to the possibly. We grab the high and we take it right away. However, it rejects this high right here. I actually combine the 15 and 5-minute supply together here. Then I'm going to wait for this, and I'll take that leg down here. That will be what I'll be doing when it comes to touching go today. If we close above the highs, we are going to start looking for buys at that point. Looking to short from here because this was a minor low, and then minor low did not close above this high, which means failed to create a lower low. Now the major high slash supply did not close above the major low of this range either. However, the same way this held, we could hold this high as well, because after all, this high created the first minor low created, and now the buyers, they've done the same thing. This is a very, very technical range here. However, I am looking at the fact that we came down aggressively the whole time. Aggressively here, went back up, then we came down aggressively again. Now to the buy side, went up, came back down, went up, and now we are starting to see some weakness here. Starting to see some weakness here. It could mean something, could not mean anything, but I am sticking to that sell until we break the highs and close above the highs. Either grab this high, now look to short, or we reject this supply, come down aggressively. That's what I'll take. If we look at the 1 hour, have this 1 hour demand, which pretty much projecting from here on the 1 hour time frame, but created this demand after we closed above the highs. Even though on the lower time frame it looks like it is the same thing on the lower time frame as well. Looking at the 1 hour itself, this demand is not strong enough for me. Stronger demands are the ones that we have for the high to the left, and that's the ones I would rather take buys from. Hey Wesley, how you doing? Hey Joe, sure. Imagine if you had the position he had on the swing challenge at 30 few months back from 2700. Man, Wesley, don't remind us. Don't remind us, Wesley. None of us will probably be.
Man, if I held that swing trade, I would definitely not be here.
Even Edwin won't be here.
Edwin would be here.
Be here.
What? What's going on?
We were saying if we held that swing trade back from January, none of us would be here except you.
Man, you're gonna be
Still
like
trading.
trading.
Got to pull back at some point.
And then pull back to the downside. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, yeah. I just can't see how it can sustain this move for this long. There's got to be a bigger pullback at some point.
And go this crazy. So.
Yeah, that's what Edwin's friend is hoping for. He's hoping for that pullback someday.
He's gone into hiding, that guy.
Ah man, she might actually stop me out my entries here. I was hoping she reject here and then go up, but looks like no volume. Looks like no volume.
Oh, did you get you got break even on that buy?
I already caught the 1-to-1, so my stops at break evens, but it's
Okay.
not the best entry. Like she might actually retest it again before going up because it's a 5 demand.
I think we might break these highs.
Well, I just hope she broke the all-time highs again, so I can be out.
They're gonna have to reject from this supply or grab these London highs for sales. Where's your 1-to-2 at, Edwin? I think you heard me. YouTube, as of right now, I am looking to short, but not just yet. Not just yet. We do reject here. It's not, it's not a bad place. It's not a bad zone for price to reject because it's pretty much still creating a lower high. However, I would like to see it come down aggressively, then go back up to reject again. The reason behind that is because we did not break the low that needed to be broken for price to give us that lower low structure. Yeah, it gave us inside the range. However, it rejected a support. Okay, it rejected its support. That is why this high here is risky. Now, even the major high right here is also risky as well because again, it did not break the lows, and the structure we have to the left is of course bullish. We overall bullish. So already shorting gold is risky because we are bullish overall on our time frames. And so if you're gonna sell it, you have to be smart about it. And in this case, I would rather prefer it reject the major highs just like we rejected the major lows in this range. And if it does reject from the major high, I still need to wait for more confirmation because once again, we are bullish overall. Come down aggressively, create a support, go back up again, reject the highs, then that's when we'll take our shots. We are bearish, we're breaking lows, then we don't have to wait for any of that because we're bearish. I hope that makes sense. After you learn how to spot your supply and demand zones, the key thing that you're gonna have to learn and understand is, okay, well, now I know how to draw my zones. I understand what supply and demand means. Okay, now where do I take my positions from? That is the most important thing. And all you have to do is to look at what the market is doing. Number one, are we breaking lows or breaking highs? Are we breaking minor lows or major lows of a range? Are we just ranging? Stuff like that. Looks like the exact same trade you took earlier for sales. Uh, reach the high. And for the day, so you're in buys already, I'm guessing, Joe? We didn't take another trade yet, alright. Let's get the W and get the F out of it. That's right.
How's your day been, War?
Nothing happened.
Yeah.
Took a buy, got break even, and then whatever. I give up.
Yeah, it's so tricky when it's at all-time highs again.
Yeah. Oh, NYSE.
And NYC, everyone, get ready for some fireworks. Get ready for a one-candle correction to the downside. Holy shit.
Alright, so we decided not to tap the supply here. And it's still good. See how aggressively this candle is going to close.
Damn session open candles.
Well, there's no runner for me.
Well, to be honest, the waited before you took it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
Edwin.
I just don't wanna sabotage my trade anymore.
Looking for buys. I wouldn't call it wrong because this is still going to go back up even if it comes down aggressively. But just buying in this range, in my opinion, is not the right. Mm-mm.
Buyers are no joke. No joke.
Justin, it could still end up and tap that 15 minutes supply. But
Yeah, crazy. What is Trump doing to the dollar, man? Shit. The dollar must be bleeding.
Yeah, he probably want to make dollar weaker so they can pay off the debt for cheaper.
Good,
Yeah.
good call.
Yeah, they have like a freaking whatever trillions was it?
It's like my trading account.
I don't believe Trump gets to decide if gold is going to at a very high price or a low price. It's not a currency. That is why during freaking war times, gold freaking gets super volatile, super crazy. I don't know if you can pay attention. If the market is crashing, like let's say the stock market is crashing, gold would be like, okay, all of you start want to run to me now, so I'm gonna just keep going up. I'm still not gonna sell, even though rejecting. Hit higher or you grab the highs. Well, thought you well. Just hit and run. Are you sure it's wall? I think, cause I think that's buy. I'm not trying to sell off this. No. Nope. Not yet. Wanna reject. Like like I said earlier, any from here, preferably grabbing London highs. Yeah, I explained it earlier. So I need to see it rejecting from the highs. We didn't quite tap it here. Or preferably grabbing London because number one, we are still bullish overall. Number two, this high failed to close below this low. This is the major low of this range. So I needed to go back to the same major high. And if it's going to fall from here, I don't have what I need to see just yet. If it decides to fall from here, I'm pretty much going to need to see it break this low before I need to get in, because I don't bear this supply here. You're welcome, Kinabit. Now it's 5 minutes. Just close below this low here. Close below that low.
Nah, killed a bit. I took my own. He got in earlier than me. I
Huh?
didn't get my setup.
Well,
No, I'm replying killed a bit. Yeah, 1-1. I thought I hold for 1 to 2, but she didn't give me. Already stopped me out.
Okay. The chance we could see another pullback here before we actually pick. Hey, Abdiko, how you doing? I would like to see um I would like to see another rejection from this 15-minute supply, preferably 5, and then we can short this time. Do I still trade GJ? Nah, I don't even trade Forex anymore. I think I might trade Forex. It's final, it's last quarter, starts next month. Look for some swing also. Yep, focus on only gold. I'm trading GJ, wouldn't trade GJ where I trade because they move differently. we are going to wait for this 5 minute candle to close. Also be for out. Man, we don't prefer this supply here. Yeah, this thing has to go back up. Has to go back up. Has to go back up. And we have this new minor high. There has to be a liquidity grab there. Came down again, we didn't break the new minor low that the major low created. This low right here. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got more waiting to do here. So the 4-hour closed, and we are going to start off with 4 instance here. Shall see.
Oh, what happened with your trade, Edwin?
Well, all hopes and dreams are lost. Well,
Did you take profit or anything?
yeah, I secure half on 121 and wait for
Okay.
my number two, but she went down. Didn't survive.
Okay. Okay. Well, if it's any consolation, I bought it where you bought it when it came down.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of like another buy setup here, which is the
Yeah.
same entry
Yeah.
if you're using the same demand.
Wanna fall from there? Don't do, man. Come on, bro. Huh? Still gotta tap at least that resistance one more time. I'll be right back, guys.
nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. potential is deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one
We
day
did
from
not
heaven and say,
have
damn, I learned some lessons, and say, damn, I have no questions. I had
4
no
hours
second, and the
extends.
journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
So New York session is pretty much trash since it opened. Let's see.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like
Nice
giving up,
playlist,
oh
thank
God,
you.
no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that
Buyers, they're not going anywhere. Sellers, they're not going anywhere.
My mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest.
Why don't I use trend line? It sure do carry a lot of weight. Let me ask you this. You think trend line, even though trend lines is also part of price action, but do you think it beats supply and demand or support and resistance? In my opinion, it does not come before those two. Even though right now we are pretty much in a 50-50 range, we could go higher because we are bullish overall for time frames pretty much. At the same time, we could pull back deeper, which is what I'm anticipating here. I will buy lower, but for now I'm expecting to see a deeper pullback. Expecting to see a deeper pullback to the downside. However, right now, I do not like the fact that I do not have a liquidity grab, which is what I would prefer to see, and preferably above this minor high we created, 3759.2. Looking at how we rejected this low to the left, came down, went back up, rejected it, came back down, failed to break the low again. I would at least want it to go back up there and reject again. And reject again. Then I will sell. Am I impulsive when it comes to demand? It depends on the momentum and structure. This section is over. If you're waiting all day. Might be. And this is how you know that this range that we're in, pretty much between 37.63 and 37.42.9, it is a 50-50 percent range. That's what I like to call it when you have a setup where anything can happen. We could either go up or we could either drop. But what do I see potentially happening? A deeper pullback, even though we, of course, rejected the major low down here in this range. Price is creating minor lows, minor highs. What are you gonna say?
I was just going to say, and I don't know what your thoughts are, but I predict by the end of the year we'll be trading London session again because New York sucks. I'm just putting it out there.
Yeah, I don't think London gave a setup just today. Nah. London didn't give a setup. Oh shit, this was London. Man, London was trash.
Oh, London was lit.
Yeah, he didn't give he didn't give, for me, he didn't give a setup. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken anything down London. I was trading it. And learning from me 7 months, watching live streams, okay. One of the things you get out of it. Traveling. So are you saying you give them sometimes and sometimes you make profit? And bye, you got killed a bit going now. You said New York's terrible.
I riled him up. us London boys, we know what's up. It's all about London.
All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Damn, wow.
Damn, well, yeah, thanks. Thanks for coming, mate. Jesus.
Yeah.
Are you
I don't like
been
any.
doing a bit of trading?
Sorry?
Have you been doing a bit of trading?
Yeah, I bought earlier, but yeah, it's kind of dead now. I bought it
Yeah.
like here, and then I bought it again on this bullish candle. It's like, okay, close full there, close half here, and then now it's chopping. I was thinking buying back here again, but it's consolidating, and if it breaks this low, I don't want to buy it anymore.
Oh, you should break it. Set up this go to tank. I just don't like it right now.
Yeah.
If it does not get to grab this minor high at least.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what put me off that, I saw that, so I took this buy, but what put me off this buy is just that every move up is making a lower high.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I was slightly worried that it wasn't going to hold again, you know?
Yeah. If that buy failed, I would have bought it again just a little bit lower towards VWAP.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, of course, yeah, you were. Yeah.
Yeah. But man, this range is getting even tighter. It's like there's zero volume. So I'm like, I've been watching this thinking like, okay, it's gonna break. Oh, you know what? It's not gonna break higher. It's gonna collapse. Oh, it's not gonna. You know what? I don't know what it's gonna do. So I'm like, fuck it. I'm gonna just go to sleep.
So you think it's gonna die?
Uh, I don't know what it's gonna do. I don't know what it's gonna do.
Yeah, technically I don't either. But if I'm to pick, I'm a pick sales.
Okay. Because I know that last week, Friday, I was thinking it was gonna sell off back in the range. And then it just went like, nope, to the moon. So I was like, you know what? I can't doubt the buyers, you know? I can't doubt them. They could step in anywhere. Fuck it.
And if it comes down without grabbing a high, it's going to grab the lows here. Then I
Oh
will,
no.
then I will buy. Then I will buy. But if it grabs any of this, maybe this minor high or the major high, yeah, it should come all the way back down to the at least this 30-minute demand.
43. Okay. Yeah, that'll be like around VWAP. It makes sense.
Uh,
Oh, Kilby got 100 pips. Nice, nice.
man,
Man, I think I got 100 pips too. This thing's volatile.
it
Let me
is
see.
over there.
Yeah. I got like
Oh,
64 on the first buy, and then the second
okay.
one,
Yeah, it is kind of over there.
56, and then runner still going. I don't have any hopes for this runner. This runner's not gonna make it.
Crazy part is the same way we creating lows, same way we creating and highs.
Yep.
This is the only time we like pretty much like range right here. Every time we created a high, it came down aggressively, same time, aggressively, aggressively again. Now we have this. It could actually fall from. I just don't like how it didn't tap against. So if it falls, well, guess we'll just miss it.
I don't know. New York's I don't know, kind of unimpressive, honestly.
Uh, Still rejecting the you know 5 minute supply. Good. I still want to sell if it does not grab a high.
Hmm.
Instead, I'll be waiting to see if it's going to grab this. But,
Yeah.
by the time it does that, then it's time for me to stop trading and why?
Well, my runners already stopped out for like plus 25.
Yeah, if it drops, I'll be expecting it to grab the lows and go back up.
Asia should be lit.
Yeah, if New York freaking has freaking volume, eventually Asia should be lit. No, it might just stay in this range between 37.63 and this low 37.42.
Hopefully not in the middle of it.
Oh no. At least be at the lows or at the highs now. We trade Asia tonight.
Yeah. Oh, man, it wicked me out and it's straight back in the middle of this range. You bastard. Oh, disgusting. Disgusting.
Because he knows a lot of traders have sell others at this minor low.
Yeah. Oh, fuck it. All right, I'm gonna go sleep. Take care, guys.
Yeah, looks like session scarf, no volume at all.
You too. Yeah. Hey, Perpetual. Pool action. Oh man, is it action for real?
Getting to that point in the day where even if I take a trade, I don't want to because I'll have to hold it late. I think I might log off.
All right, bye.
I'll see you tonight, guys.
All right, see you tonight.
See you tonight. Thanks, Abe.
You're welcome.
Thanks, man. Bye.
Selling gold is a suicide even with 100% setup. Nah, it's not a suicide if you know what you're looking for. Suicide for beginners for sure. If we do not have a liquidity graph from the high side, like I said earlier, there is a very, very strong chance because gold is bullish on all time frames. There's a very, very high chance, just like what we've pretty much done here from the highs, to come down, grab this low, to do this, and back up we go. We had the liquidity grab to the high side, so that would be in sales already. And I would expect this to break. You're in sales still, but very stressing. Oh, if you've been in sales already, I would say once we get to 37.42, this low, either get out or you move your stops to profit. Stops at 37.58. Futures, as this is 37.58, right? Yeah, on futures. Pretty much above this minor resistance here. I wouldn't put my stop there. My stops will be above the major high of this minor range between 37.59 and 37.46. So at least have it at above 37.59.2. That's just me. Close 50 and B. Alright. Oh, it's above the major high. It's above this one? Okay. Another thing as traders, we need to be able to spot all those 50-50 ranges. Like I said earlier, meaning price could either go up or go down. Right? You can also trade it to your advantage, like I said, if you know what you're doing, and it's those 50-50% ranges, the zone ranges that you need to look for liquidity grabs, either from the high side or the low side. If you don't have a liquidity grab, stay away until it gives you that liquidity grab. Minor high above. Oh, okay. Above 59. All right, nice. All right, trader. Similar to how Donny trades, but in structure form. Trades candles. It's Donny. Someone called Donny Trades? I don't think I've heard of him. Trade. Donny. Oh. Oh, you mean Danny? Danny Trades? Let's do it. Oh, Dunbo. Oh, okay. That hopefully gets to your beat points. Alright guys, I think I'm going to head off as well. There's nothing here, we have no volume. Zoom, I will see you guys during Asia session tonight. And YouTube, I appreciate you all. All links is in the description. Join the free Discord as well. I will catch you guys tomorrow during our session. God bless. Peace. I'm out. Alright, Zoom, I will catch you guys later tonight when we trade Asia session. You're welcome to the